Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to install McAfee browser extension in Google Chrome. Start by opening your Google Chrome browser and go to Chrome Web Store. On Chrome Web Store, just search for McAfee. You will see different extensions from the McAfee. For example, here's a McAfee Web Boost, which stops video from autoplaying and slowing down your web browsing. Here's a True Key by McAfee, which lets you forget password, and it will automatically save the password. And here is a McAfee anti-tracker. I'll just go ahead and show you how to add one to your extensions. Let's say I want to add McAfee Web Boost. Just click on it and click on Add to Chrome. Add extension, and after it's added, just go to your extension and choose a McAfee Web Boost and click on Apply. And that's it. We just installed McAfee browser extension in Google Chrome's web store. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos